Hello, it's Barry from Streamline. Today, on this video, I'm going to show you the launch of our brand new OVA8 8-foot pole. This great little pole is an addition to the OVA8 pole range and includes many of the existing features of the OVA8 pole. So it includes the oval profile sections with the flat sides, which eliminates the spin on your sections. Very nice sprung-loaded clamps. It also includes the quick release angle adapter on the brush and the Flexi 5 tubing. Great features about this pole is its short compressed length. So this is approximately 80 centimeters long. So very, very short and compact. Great for work in a cherry picker or a cradle, or even low-level work, bungalows, bus stops, glass balustrading, and many more applications. With this pole, as with the existing OVA8 poles, this comes with a free of charge 10-inch dual trim brush, a set of pencil jets, and with the fully fitted Q21 male adapter. So if you're needing a short, neat and compact, very versatile, user-friendly pole with all the features and the benefits and the qualities of the larger OVA8 pole range, then this is the pole for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.